Hello, hello, my beautiful friends. Um, Man, I do not like the angle that this was at. I'm sorry. Anyway, Citrus Twist kit again. This dreaded strip. Anyway, I did bring in the extra stamp set here. That's the monthly stamp set. And I put Recharge, I believe. Yeah. And I put Recharge because this was I'm documenting Thanksgiving 2017, and I'm realizing I'm about to stamp on something that has got a lot of texture on the other side, but it worked out okay. But I didn't have a plan for the strip before I started this, so it runs a little bit longer than I anticipated, but I pretty much stamp and I stamp and I stamp. But that's about it. And I don't stamp straight, as you can tell. But I probably should have used black because the gray kind of blends in, but I'm okay with that. I think it works. And that's all I do with this strip, I think. I don't remember. Let's find out together. I didn't add a whole lot because I had the word sideways, so I didn't want to. I add hearts. I'm like, okay, I remember I add hearts, some, the sprinklies, I bring in the sprinklies. That's the only thing that's not really Citrus Twist. Here we go. I use up the sheet with the crosses, this one here. Yeah. Here we go. Yeah, I've been actually doing pretty good with using up my sprinkly sheets here. And I realize, oh crap, I might have overdone it. No. I'm bringing some yellow sprinkles. Anyway, I'm finally getting around to, and I think it's because I don't document chronologically, and I don't do it every single day. I kind of do it when I get the time. I just end up doing Thanksgiving for 2017 in June of 2018. Nonetheless, I'm getting it done. This is my, gosh, why do I always set myself up? This is my youngest young man. He and I decided we would make pumpkin pie together this year. So I picked out pieces that I knew I wanted to use, and so then while I'm putting things down, I'm realizing, okay, I need more things. I need all the things, but I need to, have something to put this strip or this thing that says love this to back it with. So I just poured out all my little ephemera pieces and I sprinkle away. And I did crop this picture a little bit closer than what I wanted to. As you can tell, I haven't quite got my camera skills down. Working on that. But you'll see the next picture is a little bit more out, so you can see the situation better. Here we go. Haha. Yeah. And so, like I was telling Miss Jen, he is developmentally delayed, so he's a 12-year-old, but more like with a 5-year-old mindset. So while he looks and appears to be completely normal, to look at him, you would think there's nothing wrong with him. And there's not necessarily anything wrong with him. He just doesn't process the same way most people do. His brain doesn't work as quickly as mine and yours may. So when I had mentioned what we were making, and we were in charge of desserts, my family, and I had said, well, you know, we got to do pumpkin pie. And he kind of shook his head like, yeah. And I said, oh, you like the pumpkin pie? And he was like, yeah. And I was like, well, why don't you help make it this year? He was like, yeah. So I pretty much just stood back. I opened the cans for him, you know, things that you would do for, you know, a younger kid. Mainly because he'll get overzealous and impatient, and I don't want him to hurt himself, so. And he's very strong. Ooh, look, empty. But he's very, very strong, so I don't want him to hurt himself. Obviously, I just said that. But he did awesome. Best pie I ever ate. Better than my pumpkin pies, so pretty sure we'll leave him in charge of that from now on. And he enjoyed himself because the whole... Ooh, I'd stamp on this one. But this paper felt slippery, so it does smudge a little bit, but it's okay. The whole being different thing really gets him. He doesn't like it, and so we try to act like he isn't as much as possible. So being in the kitchen cooking was put him over the moon. He was ecstatic about it. Especially because I wasn't like hovering over him. Of course I took pictures because I had to document. But I wasn't, you know. I wasn't overbearing. And I'm good at that. Let me tell you, I'm good at it. And I wrote that pumpkin pie in with just a gold pin that I have laying around. Well, not laying around because I don't have that type of space. This is my second to youngest son. And me, I think. In one of those pictures. And something I had watched Adele's Inky Quills video. Something she had mentioned on one of hers was if you have multiple pictures, or she may have been just referring to one or two, I mean, to put them straight but only put one at a little catty corner angle. So I tried that on two of these and I liked it, so maybe it'll be my new go-to. But I put two of them straight and then one crooked or catty corner. So this is we were at my in-laws house here, and we just go back and forth every year, every other year we have it here, every other year we have it there, and just back and forth. Oh, my husband's in there too. Can't see him, he blends in with the couch. Between his dark shirt and his hat, you just can't see him. Poor fella. I love him to pieces though. Me, little Miss Light Bright over here, I glow everywhere I go, so. I rhymed. Now those heart stickers, they're all like burgundy and stuff. I got those from Walmart. They're pretty cool. These are going to be my next, not those hearts, excuse me, these dollar store stickers I got. They're going to be my little puffy, not puffy, but round ones are going to be the next get done with thing. This is the other one. I do it with a little cricket here. This is my daughter and my niece. And I put good friends, and then next to it I put on, gosh, what did it say, today? Because, you know, one day they're friends, one day they're not. So, they're typical girls. These little, right here, these little yellow, circle, yellow and red ones, I'm gonna get rid of those. I got them from Dollar Store and I thought they were just the cutest, and then I got home and realized maybe not so much. They look a little cheap, I guess. Do I stamp? I don't know. I don't think so. I wanted to put something on there because they both have their little electronic devices. But then I started seeing the stickers. So I rerouted myself. Excuse me. Oh yeah, this day. Good friends this day, you know, like tomorrow maybe not so much. I keep most of them pretty simple. These hearts right here, they're pretty nice and puffy, but they're pretty specific, you know, because they have flowers on them. So if you're ever at Walmart though, they've got their sticker aisle's not too shabby. There's my honey bunny and his mama in the kitchen cooking. I don't know why that card looks like I did it upside down though. So I was struggling with that. And I mean, I don't know. I'm pretty sure I did it upside down. It just looks upside down to me. But nonetheless, moving on. I always have so much fun doing my little pocket life. That's it though. This is the last card. And this actually was quicker. It took 23 minutes altogether. I was really shocked with the stamping and everything. Oh yeah, Turkey Day 2017. I cut that all out so you didn't have to watch me lay it down. So that's it though. I hope you guys enjoyed. And I did use all of those glitter pieces up. And I hope you have a great rest of your week. And we'll see you next time. Bye. I gotta keep talking so I don't